methods, but there are some built-in methods in Python for strings, for lists, for dictionaries as well. So today we are revising all of them, some of them, and you just go through it as it is very important from the point of view of your periodic assessment one. So inbuilt string methods, there are some inbuilt string methods, and one by one just explaining it what they are and according to description how do we use them. So one is the capitalize, it can convert the first character of uppercase. The second one is the count, it returns the number of the times a specified value occurs in a string. For example, there is good. So if you want if you count and inside the bracket there is o, so it will return 2. Find searches the string in a specified value and return the position of where it was found. Find or where it was found. For example, if there is a string good and you just find the g, then the position is 1. It will return 1. Index searches the string of a specified value and return the position where it was found. The number of the index, the place where it's situated. Is all num returns true if that character in the strings are alphanumeric. Is alpha returns true if all characters in the string are in alphabet, otherwise it will return false. Is decimal, it returns true if all characters in the strings are the decimal values, otherwise it will return false. Is digit, it returns true if all the characters in the string are digits, if there is any character it will return false. Is lower returns true if all the characters in the string are lowercase. So here you are just saying that if is that it is asking the question, you can remember it with the this way, that is digit means is it digit. So that's why it is checking, it's not converting, it's checking whether it is or not. It will return in true and false. Likewise, the is upper, it returns true if the all characters in the strings are in uppercase. If there is a single character in the small case or in the lower case, then it will return false. So it is just checking, it is not converting. The next is join the elements of an iterable to the end of the string. The next function, that is lower, it converts the string into lowercase. Now check here, it is not is lower. If it is lower, it will check whether the contents are in lowercase or not. But if it is simple lower, then it convert a string into lowercase. Return a string into a specified value and replace with a specified value. Repetition returns a tuple where the string is parted into 3 parts. Split the string at the specified separator and return a list. Split string the string at the specified separator and returns a list. Start with returns true if the string starts with the specified value. Strip, it returns a trimmed version of a string. Strip और जो भी वैल्यू आप देंगे इसके ब्रैकेट्स के बीच में, and then it will trim that particular and then return that particular strip to you. Swap case, lowercase becomes uppercase and vice versa. Lowercase became uppercase and uppercase became lowercase. So that you can use it when the both of this. This is the most frequently used to change the case in the Python. Title, it converts the first character of each word into uppercase. Translate returns a translated string. Upper converts all the string into uppercase. Remember, the lower converts the string into lowercase, upper converts the string into uppercase. Is upper, check whether the characters are in uppercase or not. Is lower, check whether the given string is in the lowercase or not. So all the string methods returns new value. Remember that it does not make any changes to the original strings. It always return you a new version of that particular string. Now some built-in function for the tuples. Python has 2 built-in methods generally that you can use in tuples most frequently. Count, it returns the number of times a specified value occurred in a tuple. And index, it searches the tuples for a specified value and return the position of where it was found. I earlier explained you in both while I'm just teaching you the tuples. Then we have already discussed it. We are revising now. Built-in methods for the dictionaries even. The Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use for the dictionaries also. So first is the clear. It removes all the elements from the dictionary. Copy, it returns a copy of the dictionary. From keys, it returns the dictionary with the specified keys and value. Get, it returns the value of a specified key. Items, it returns a list containing a tuple for each key value pair. Keys returns a list containing dictionaries keys. Pop removes the element within the specified key. Pop item remove the last inserted key value pair. Last inserted key value pair. Return the value of the specified key if the key does not exist. Insert the key with the specified value. Set default. This function is used for this. Return the value of the specified key. If the key does not exist, insert the key with the specified value. It will check whether it is inside it, or if it is not, then it will create it and then return the value. Update. Update the dictionary with the specified key value pairs. The values, it returns a list of all the values in the dictionary. Update is dictionary with the specified key values pair. If you specify inside the braces, the values, it returns a list of all the values in the dictionary. And here are some built-in methods for the list that you must have to revise. First is append. It adds an element at the end of the list. Clear, remove all the elements from the list. Copy, it returns a copy of the list. Then count, it returns the number of elements with the specified value. Insert, adds an element at the specified position. Pop, it removes the element to the specified positions. And the remove, it removes the first item with the specified value. Reverse, it reverses the order of the list. The whole list should be reversed. Sort the list. No, the Python does not have built-in support for arrays, but Python list can be used instead. List is also a type of array. So that's all for today, dear. And as I explained you that some important built-in functions, so I'm expecting that you must go through it or revise these functions, as they are very important. And maybe you find a question like if you want an output like this from the list, and so what type of built-in function you will use. This question could be in the multiple questions, in the 1 hour answers, and in the fill-ups also. So you must go through it and prepare it, as you are going to opt your test as a Google form. So well prepare it. You are familiar enough now using Google form after the mock test. Best of luck for your exams. If there is any query regarding this, so you can contact me on my personal WhatsApp wall. Thank you. Have a nice day.